Hey there guys! Chief Jace here of Circle Jace Merc Coffee Shop. Ayos ano? Alright, in this video we'll be showing you guys how to install your RMR, alright, with your GLOCK unit. But before we begin, pakita lang natin real quick itong guwapong GLOCK 26 na ito, ano? Alright, G-Force. Okay, and this is our RMR, Red Dot Trigicon. Alright guys, so let's get started. Alright, so baklas muna tayo. Remove muna natin yung magazine pala. Okay, baklas tayo nito. Okay. Sorry about that. Wala akong puwersa eh. So okay, tanggalin muna natin tong ating spring here. Alright, pull it off like so. Set aside. Ito, tabi lang din natin to kasi wala naman siyang hindi naman natin siya gagalawin. Removing the outer barrel set with the inner barrel set and chamber. Alright, so basically what we're going to do is remove this rear sight. Alright, to do that we need to actually remove the unscrew. Alright, see that there? Just remove that, unscrew, and then we can remove the whole thing. Alright, so ayan, na-remove na natin screw. Okay, unscrew. Okay, loosen lang yan, and carefully tilt it over by holding it, and then remove nyo po itong sight. Okay, and then see that part there, and nalagay nyo lang siya dyan where we remove the rear sight. Okay, and then we will screw it back in. Okay, okay. So, sikipan lang natin siya guys, like so. Bapo na oh. Diba? Pantay ba? Oh, maarte pa naman ako. Okay. Kita mo yan, Uncle Sam? Okay, yan ano? Alright. Now, nakafix na po yan. Pwede na po natin ikabit etong side. Okay? Let's go! So okay guys, in case you are wondering, no, this RMR is actually dual. You can use it for a weaver. Okay, itong weaver natin, side rail mount. Alright, para kung ayaw nyo ng stat na, alam nyo na, sumasama yung ating RMR kapag ka pumuputok, pumapalo-palo kasi yan kapag ka dito nakapatong, ano. Yung iba, mas prefer nila pong naka-weaver. This way, kahit umampas ang ating, o mag-blowback ang ating upper receiver, hindi po masyashock kagad itong ano. But anyway, preference po ninyo yan, whichever ang best na fit sa inyong cup of tea. Okay, syempre pa. Anyway, so dito po, pwede nyo tanggalin itong the whole thing. So tatanggalin natin itong dalawang screw so that we can fit it here. Okay? Sige, let's try it out. So okay guys, after removing both of the screws here, okay, ayan, tinanggal natin siya. Okay, so basically, tabi lang natin yan, and then insert na natin siya. Oops, dito no. Yun, pasok na pasok, Uncle Sam. Okay, yun. Tapos ito yung battery pala natin lagay, ano? Sige, teka, kapit natin, kulang ako sa puwersa eh. So screw lang natin siya guys. Let's screw it in. Tighten lang natin, ano? Okay, ay finger tighten siguro. Hindi, isalpak na natin doon. Okay, pagka na-lock na yan, then let's try to install. Okay, alright, let's go. Okay, so okay guys, that's our tutorial on how to change, or rather install your RMR. Okay, and change your, syempre, your rear sight. Okay, applicable po ito guys with the mga regular natin, syempre, na GLOCK. Okay, o G-Force natin. Wapo, no? So, tabi nyo na lang yan para sa susunod, kung gusto nyo mag 20mm na rail at ilalagay ito doon, pwede nyo po siyang tanggalin at install uli. That being said, again, Chief JC po ang inyong Airsoft taga-Daltal. Dito tayo sa Circle JC Merc Workstation at tinuro natin sa inyo how to do it yourself. Okay, feel free to order from us guys here at Circle JC Merc Coffee Shop. Go and be a blessing guys. Bye!